In today's video, I'll show you how to export Figma frames quickly and without any confusion. First, open your Figma file and click on the frame you want to export. Make sure you select the entire frame, not individual layers inside it. You'll know it's selected when a blue outline appears around the whole frame. Next, look at the right-hand panel and scroll down to the bottom until you see the Export section. Here, choose your preferred file format. PNG is great for high-quality images, JPEG works well for smaller file sizes, SVG or PDF is ideal for vector designs. If you need higher quality, click the Scale option and change it from 1x to 2x or 3x. This is especially useful for Retina displays, presentations, or client handoffs. Once everything looks good, click Export. Figma will instantly download the frame to your computer. If you want to export multiple frames at once, hold Shift, select all the frames you need, and then click Export. Figma will export them together automatically. And that's it. That's how you export frames in Figma, fast and easy. If this video helped you, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials.